Other guys, it's me again. So I've been asked to have a look at this one for the same guy who owned that Honda. It's a rover wayfarer with a Tecumseh 4-stroke 4 horsepower. I don't know anything about it. It's been sitting outside for a while. Apparently it's about an 80s, between 80s and 90s. It's got a aluminium body, ball bearing wheels. We'll get into it and have a look. Anyway, here it is. We'll have a look at it together. Here's the sticker. I better have a look at the oil, I guess. Yeah, very little. Fuel tank's empty, fairly empty anyway. There's a bit of crud in there. You guys will be able to see more than me. I was about to see if it pulls over. Probably do with a bit of oil. That's the throttle adjuster. That's broken off. I'm assuming it's just going to need a carby clean out, but I'll get my spark tester and we'll test for spark. Alright, she's hooked up. You'd let me know. Keep an eye on that for me. I couldn't see any spark, but I'll have to have a look back at the video. Right, I've poured way too much fuel in it, so I'm going to give it a pull and probably hydraulic lock it and break something. But anyway, as you can see, it's dripping out everywhere. Anyway, we'll give it a yank. Yes, I was hoping that would happen. Right, I'll rip the carby off and we'll pull it apart and see how bad it is. Sorry I'm jumping around a bit, but I've only got like 10 minutes of video for YouTube that they let me upload, so I've just got to jump and move around. Pulled the plug out and tested the spark on that, and it's got plenty of spark on here. So the plug is a bit grubby, a bit wet, so I don't know if it's oil or water. I think it's oil, but anyway, we'll clean it up and chuck a splash of fuel down it and see if it fires. Right, I've got it off. I don't know what sort of chewing gum that's on there. Why? I'm guessing it's got a rust hole in it. Yummy. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Oh. There you go. I know. Yep, the float's working. God, they've even put it inside. Freaking hell. I'll have to see if I can clean all that crap off. They've obviously stripped it or broken it, or who knows what they've done. Anyway, I'll have a look, clean it up and have a look. Seriously. Anyway, we'll pull her apart, see what we've got to play with. Okay, we'll have to get some pliers. Maybe two. Just to see. We'll do it properly when we tune it up properly if we get this thing back together. Yeah, I think she's been sitting outside. These mowers that I've done so far are from a friend who's actually does a lot of vintage stuff. Sells and buys and sells antiques and stuff, so he providing I can get this thing, if I can get this thing back alive, it will be for sale eventually.